What's good, y'all? You know what it is. You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Got another great recipe for y'all. Appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. We about to get it in right now, y'all. All right. As you can see, I got some wings on the table. So tonight we're gonna do a Chinese style takeout wings, y'all. Okay. Chinese style takeout wings. That's what we're doing, y'all. You know how you get that craving for, well, I do. I get that craving sometimes for some Chinese wings. You know, I like me, I like mine fried hard, salt, pepper, ketchup, hot sauce. You know, that's the whole flow. But you know, they just taste a little different than regular chicken wings, and they just be banging. You know what I'm saying? It was a spot I used to go to downtown. I swear, I've tried to make the wings how they make them. Can't figure it out, man. They got this recipe. I can't get it down pat. But this recipe here is a recipe I've seen a lot of different people do on YouTube. Read a lot of different recipes, so this is not like my own, but you know, I just added my own little flavor to it. Okay, so we about to get it in. Let's do it. Okay, y'all. So this is about maybe a pound and a half, a little over a pound of wings. It's about 8 wings. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm making. Um, First, we're gonna go ahead and get the batter ready for our wings. So I'm gonna just set the wings to the side. Get my bowl. All right, so we're gonna start to get our batter ready, y'all. So first thing, we're gonna need a tablespoon of soy sauce. All right, we're gonna need a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, the Chinese cooking wine, tablespoon. Next, I got about a half tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay, about a teaspoon or less, because you know sesame seed oil is definitely high power. I'll put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Next, add 1 egg. All right, next, and this is me adding my own flavor to it, so this is optional. A little bit of sweet chili sauce, about a teaspoon. All right, about a half teaspoon pepper, black pepper, about a half teaspoon of white pepper, about a teaspoon of some salt. I'm using some sea salt. Add a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm also add about a teaspoon of sriracha, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this mixed on up. All right, got this mixed up real good where you see it's coming out to be like a smooth kind of batter. All right, get my wings. Go ahead, pour my batter over the wings. Yeah, y'all, real easy, real quick too, y'all. Only time that really go into this is the marinating stage. All right, so now I'm gonna mix this all up on my wings, y'all. Get that all over the wings. Oh yeah. And I can smell the batter, y'all, and it just smells, you know, it got that Asian smell, like when you make an Asian food. Oh yeah. There we go. Get it all up on there, y'all. Boom. That's what I'm talking about, man. All right. So now that you got it well coated, you got the batter all over the wings. We're gonna go ahead and put these in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, y'all. Longer than 2 hours is better, but 2 hours is the minimum. So if you kind of want to do this the night before, or you want the wings, you can go ahead, do this right here, wrap them up, put them in the refrigerator overnight. To the next day when you're ready to cook them, ready to go. But 2 hours the minimum, y'all. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, put this in the fridge for 2 hours, and come back. You know what I mean? And finish our wings, y'all. Let's do it. Okay, y'all, we back in effect. Got my deep fryer ready to go. Had it preheated at 350. Got my wings up out the fridge. All right. So now what we're gonna do now, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and fry these for about 8 minutes, and then we're gonna fry them again, y'all, for another 2 to 3 minutes. All right. So we're gonna double fry these so we can get them nice and crispy how we want it, Chinese style. Going right in, y'all. All right. So let's do this. Go ahead, start getting my wings up in there. And I don't want to crowd the basket, so with these size wings, that's about 3 wings I can fit in that basket. All right. We're going to let that deep fry for about 8 minutes, y'all. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, that's the first 3 that I had dipped down there. You can see. All right. And that was for about 8 minutes, but we're going to put these back in. So I'm going to go ahead, deep fry the other pieces, then put them all back in. Okay? And we're going to do it for like 2 to 3 more minutes. Okay? And then we'll be ready to plate this up, y'all. And there we go, y'all. All said and done. Freestyle cooking with streets, Chinese takeout wings, y'all. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. You feel me? I'm saying nice, crispy. Gonna have that nice flavor. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Ready to bite in this already. Nice, crispy, crunchy. Sorry, y'all. Just had to do it. Oh yeah. Nice flavor, like I like it. Some salt and pepper. Oh, look at that. Cooked through. Meat tender. Feel me? All right, y'all. I'm about to go on these, so I'm about to be out. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification for more videos. I'm just keeping coming to y'all, man. Like I said, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Come back. Holla.